Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're in the automotive world and tired of guessing where that pesky leak is coming from, stay tuned. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Redline smoke machine alternative out there. The ANCEL L5000 Automotive Smoke Machine. It's got pro-grade features at a fraction of the cost. Let's check it out. First impressions: solid build, compact size, and packed with everything you need. The ANCEL L5000 comes with a complete kit: evap tools, power cord, intake bladder, adapter cone, hoses, and a wide range of sealing caps and cones. Whether you're working on a modern SUV or an old-school sedan, this tool's got your back. Let's talk about one of its best features: the high-precision LCD screen. Unlike the usual analog gauges with plus or minus 0.05 psi variance or worse, this one gives you digital accuracy down to plus or minus 0.001 psi. You can switch between text and graph modes, making it super easy to monitor pressure changes in real time. If there's even a micro leak, this thing will catch it. Setup couldn't be simpler. Just follow 4 basic steps. Add smoke oil, mineral or baby oil works great. Connect your hose. Hook up to a 12 volts DC power source, and press start. That's it. Thick smoke flows in seconds, making leaks visible even in tight, hard-to-see spots. And here's where the ANCEL L5000 really shines: pressure control. It offers 3 different modes. A low-pressure 0.5 psi mode perfect for delicate systems like evap. A powerful 20.3 psi mode for turbo and high-pressure tests, and a custom pressure range from 0.4 to 20 psi. That's flexibility you don't usually see in machines at this price point. You can test just about anything, from evap, fuel systems, crankcases, and exhausts to cooling systems, sunroofs, and even tiny cabin leaks. One tool to rule them all. Now here's the kicker: no air compressor needed. The ANCEL L5000 has a built-in air pump that powers the system with just a 12 volts connection. It's perfect for mobile mechanics, roadside repairs, or even tight shop setups. That's money saved and convenience gained. It's also smart about safety. The smoke is clean and won't stain your car or clothes. The unit shuts off automatically if it overheats, and you can set your own max pressure limits. Exceed the limit? It powers down instantly to protect your vehicle and the device. With a rugged metal body, it's built for daily shop use. The compact design means it fits anywhere, and it's tough enough for real-world conditions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned technician, this thing's ready to roll right out of the box. So if you're in the market for the best Redline smoke machine alternative, the ANCEL L5000 absolutely delivers. From micro leaks to major diagnostics, it's the tool you didn't know you needed, until now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest gear reviews. This is Product Critique, where tools get tested and truths get told. See you next time.